and welcome to Teacher Catherine's online learning video. And today's lesson, we will be looking at the words that start with letter A. On the picture, you can see the capital letter A and small letter A. This letter is called A, and the sound it makes is A. Again, the sound it makes is A. Okay, so let's look at some words that start with this letter and its sound. A is for apple. A, apple. Apple. A is for arrow. A, arrow. Arrow. A is for ambulance. A, ambulance. Ambulance. A is for ant. A, ant. Ant. A is for artist. A, artist. Artist. A is for axe. A, axe. Axe. A is for acrobat. A, acrobat. Acrobat. A is for avocado. A, avocado. Avocado. A is for ape. A, ape. Ape. A is for alphabets. A, alphabets. Alphabets. A is for airplane. A, airplane. Airplane. A is for angel. A, angel. Angel. A is for apron. A, apron. Apron. A is for angry. A, angry. Angry. A is for April. A, April. April. A is for action. A, action. Action. A is for alligator. A, alligator. Alligator. A is for anchor. A, anchor. Anchor. A is for astronaut. A, astronaut. Astronaut. And finally, A is for ankle. A, ankle. Ankle. All right. So all those words we read started with letter A and produced the sound A. And of course, just keep practicing to make it perfect. So I'll ask you to read over and over again, and you can make it perfect. So that concludes of our A words that sound ah. Thank you and bye for now.